Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be testing out something that I saw on YouTube, like everybody else do, and we're gonna see how it works on natural hair. I looked at it and I was like, oh, it looks like it could possibly be okay, but we're gonna see today. All right, so let me get my life together. So this is it, guys. It is called the Octocurl. And why is it called the Octocurl? Because it has 8 things. Well, actually it has 16 of them, but it's like 2 of them like together. And so it basically has like 8, anyway. It's an Octocurl. And basically what you do, so you put this on your head, right? And then you wrap your hair around one of the thingies, and then you secure it with this little elastic, and then you let it dry overnight, sleep in it or whatever, wake up, and you should have some curls. Boom. And it's not marketed to natural hair people at all. And it is microfiber towel, I think. So microfiber towel isn't that harsh on natural hair. Though I don't know how this is about to go, but I'm about to try it. So my hair is, like I said, already shampooed, deep conditioned, and I've already added a leave-in, and so I've tried to towel dry my hair so that, it's not so super wet, because I don't want to be sitting here all day. I gotta make my part a little bit more crispy because that one ain't crispy enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Miche Hydrating and Twisting Butter. You guys know I love this stuff, especially for like braid outs. I'm thinking about doing braids with this thing, but I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is just put this all over my hair. So I bet y'all like, this is about to turn out horrible, and I feel the same way. Friend, I feel the same way, friend. Oh jeez, why the hell I'm doing this? So I'm about to take some gel. I'm trying to open it and just kind of go on top, because you have to just place this thing on your head, and we need this part to at least lay down, But I just feel like at least have the top layer laying down, if anything. So this looks like a mess of a tutorial. So after you've done that, go ahead and just brush the top. I want to just brush this down. Okay. This just feels stupid. Feels so stupid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to attempt to do a braid out right quick. But if not, we're gonna have to bust out a blow dryer, because I don't think this is about to work. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is kind of take it up like that. This looks like a struggle process. Okay. So I got my first piece. Alright. And I think I'm going to let this act as my third piece and just kind of use the Octocurl to braid. So it comes with, like I said, the 2 pieces, and you just want to braid your hair into the Octocurl. I'll add some more moisture on those ends. More moisture for my ends, please. Let's just take them both. And secure that. I guess, right? And that's how you do it. Secure that. That's one. That's one, y'all. And this one kind of looking kind of promising. It stretched it out. I mean, my root's a little wavy, but it's nothing too serious. Okay, let's see what we can do here. This is my vision coming to life, possibly. It don't look too bad. It don't look too bad.
rooftop while I start.
Okay, we're at the top again. We're about finished. Last one, y'all. This didn't take long at all, like 20 minutes maybe to finish this off. More cream for the ends. So as you can see, I had got a little rhythm down. So basically take a section, part it, move the two things out of the way, and then detangle my hair and stuff. Get it all nice and smooth. I'm trying to get this thing a real chance, y'all. If I'm gonna do it, might as well try to do it right. And so I take this down, and then I just start to braid my hair in with the Octocurl thingy. So literally, this is just my hair is my middle piece. I don't try to separate that at all. I don't know how this gonna come out, but that's what I did, girl. And if I feel like I need to detangle, just like bring both of these down and then keep my hair at the top. Go ahead and detangle some more. And then keep on braiding. I'm telling y'all, I don't know how I got this rhythm going, but it's working. And I've noticed that my hair is a little long for some of them. So what you want to do at the ends, just like roll your hair around just to create a curl. It's like a curl at the end. I just like to smooth that. That's why you want a lot of product on it. And then just take both elastics after you've done that and just finish her off. I'm just gonna add a little bit more like product up here. I'm just gonna let this kind of chill. I'm gonna give you guys 360. I basically have 8 braids. It don't look too bad to go to sleep like this, you know what I'm saying? If it works, it don't look bad. I don't think it looks bad, especially because I got the black. So yeah, what you guys think? Do you think it's gonna come out good? Do you think it's gonna come out bad? I want to know what you think. What you think? So I'm gonna wrap my hair up and then I'll come back, I guess, when it's dry. Alright guys, so it's in the morning. I basically wore the Octocurl for the whole day and then I went to sleep in them. And here we are today. I actually took the scarf off because it just slid off. And I should have put it back on, but I didn't. But then I just put this Glow by Day bonnet on. And if you guys are interested in Glow by Day bonnets, because they have a nice drawstring, so it's like really nice for everyone because it's like, you know, customizable. If you want one of these, I will have the link in the description bar so that you guys can pick up one. So my hair should be dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. Alright, so it looks like my hair kind of smoothed down at the top, which is cool. Everything else look kind of smooth. I'm excited. I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like because I don't know exactly what it's going to look like. So we're just going to hop right into the takedown. And just, I'm going to be very gentle. Not gonna lie, that shit kind of cute. That wave. These waves are looking kind of cute, y'all. So I'm just gonna continue. And I'm so glad I wrapped the ends around like a few times because look at this, y'all. A nice little curl at the end. See, I didn't do that for all of them because I didn't catch on to it. But, yeah, definitely want to do that. Y'all look at that. It looks so good. I mean, I don't know how the hairstyle gonna look in the end, but I can already tell you that looks really good. Wow. Oh y'all, my hair smells so good and delicious. Oh my god, my hair smells so good. But let me show you guys what the curls look like before I destroy them. Or waves. or whatever you want to call them. Y'all, this was completely heatless. What? So I'm gonna get some oil for this hairstyle because it's like a stretch style. I don't need any type of moisture in here. I just want it to not be frizzy and to be like shiny. So I'm about to get some oil. Hold on. I'm just gonna put some oil on my hands. I'm using the Mish Beauty oil. Just place that at the top of my head. And on these things, get those ends. I actually have no idea how I'm supposed to unravel these. Yo, this, oh my god, this is just too freaking cute, y'all. Too cute. Too cute. Just gonna loosen up this. Like that. Keep unraveling. What? This was nice. This is nice. Y'all can't say this ain't nice. Okay, let me get my pick. I got my pick. Got my pick. Oh my gosh, you have your texture at the top to make it bigger and bigger and bigger. And then you have these nice fluffy waves. If you guys don't know, I'm like the worst at separating big chunky stuff. Like, I really am. I don't have the patience. But if you was to really take your time and unravel this the right way, I'm sure you could even get super better results than this. And this is just really freaking cute. I honestly see myself using this thing. Oh my god. So y'all, that's all it is. This was all it is. And I got this off of Amazon. I'll put it in the description bar below so that you guys can check it out. My hair has so much body, so much movement. It's so fluffy, but yet I feel like I can really pick out my roots and just make it bigger. Like, it's giving me holiday. So yeah, guys, I would have to say this product is a go for me. Like, I'm gonna use it. This is the pack that it came in. There's so many different ways you can do this thing. Like, you don't have to do the braids. You can just wrap your hair around it and just get curls. Wrap your hair around it and then wrap this up, y'all. There's videos on how many different things you can do with this thing. So I am excited. I mean, they're not marketing it to us. So I'm definitely going to have to come up with some of my own ways. But I can see this as a really great thing. And it really wasn't that bad to sleep on. So that is a plus. I'm impressed, okay? I'm impressed. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me do other hairstyles with this thing, please let me know. Are you practicing not using heat? Do you think this would be something that you would try out? Let me know in the comment section below. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.